This was a crazy idea, but let's follow through. It's gonna get rough, but there's little we can do. There's a lot of work to be done, but it's easier with two. Of all the crazy people, I'm glad I'm doing this with you.
So, these LEDs come in two parts. One little array, cap, two wires coming around. Do a common ground inside the bus. So basically the rule for lights, your back corner and the back are all red. Everything forward from that is orange, unless it can only be seen from the back, and then that part of it has to be red. We're required to have at least one, but we already have two wired in, so I think we're gonna just keep them both. Those will be going to nowhere. At some point we might put in, like, if we want to put in white light and that have them be like off-road lights should we need it. So yeah, these will both, all three of these will be brake lights. And we're required to have a beeper, so I'm gonna have to figure out how the beeper works. It's pretty far gone, so I might have to get it. I'm not sure for that. Just judging from the state of everything, it's less than happy in its current state. So, the trick with all this is making sure that we get it all refurbished without having to, without losing any wires in the wall. Because I don't want to pull those back wall panels off.
No?
I really don't want to have to pull those back wall panels off.
What's up here?
Oh,
You got a friend on you.
Oh, hello. Small one.
Just kind of fell on you in a tree.
Come on. Elsewhere's the place to be. Come on, you'll be fine. Yeah, you're all pokey. Come on.
Pokey?
Yeah, his little hairs. Ah. Alright, Smalls.
Oh, special delivery.
Oh yeah! One power drill
One power drill?
and one orange light. We have one extra red light.
Yeah.
I have to walk around and see what we missed. Nice.
Now the lights.
Now the light's actually done.
Right? More surprise lights for me?
I'll figure it. You've stripped a screw, or whoever put it on stripped it long before you got to it. A little square bit. Sometimes we'll give it just enough extra grab. And now, see, that's kind of why we're pulling all these. We're gonna clean out the inside of them and make sure they're refurbished. Socket's good.
3 in a row?
Yeah, this side's totally dandy. Sockets are all good. Just need a little bit of vinegar on them to knock off that calcification, but that's all the stuff.
Nice.
Single contacts, 111, 56. They only fit in one place, so.
Oh, look at our new reflectors! So shiny, so new.
Oh, it is. Aha! It was just whoever wired this originally 37 years ago. I don't think expect anybody to ever get a part. So, This is things coming into accessory board from engine compartment. This is power coming in for lights. This is headlights, blinkers, and front systems. Per system, it's pretty organized. Yeah, it seems. So basically, the way it was wired will no longer continue to be wired this way. Everything coming in went up to this thing. It's an exterior light monitor. So it's checking all of your lights to make sure that they're alive. Only works with incandescents. That was up here. So everything that would have just come straight into the box instead went up and then back. So there's a bunch of extra wire on a lot of this stuff that is not entirely necessary. But like this stuff is all that's going to the back, and it's most likely going to be necessary. One big bunch of wires. This is connected to bundle wire disconnected. A random grounding patch somebody wired in at some point. That's what happened. Well, cool. So this is an always-on circuit. So right now what I'm wearing is our pass-throughs. So we'll have 3 pass-through runs to the back that are switched, and then 3 that are on inline switches. So this will have all of our fused switched circuits that we control, and then this will be basically half of this block will be system controlled switches. So like the blinkers, or the reverse lights, or the brakes. So those are the 3 that will be running to the back. So 4 technically. Overall, got it pretty dang close. So that this will be our ingest for those controls. I'll have 4 outputs coming out of here, going back to that, and then the rest of this stuff will be going up to either control lights. So say we want to have, so our defroster, for example, is something that will be on this board, since it will be a driving system. And what I'm doing right now is trying to kind of figure out what my span is between this bottom board and these top boards. So we're going to basically tap power off of here, so power out from here. This will go up to a switch, so this will be connected on our switch on the board. So this is interrupting that. So normally if you didn't have a switch, you would run straight from here to your bus bar and out. But because we have a switch, we're tapping that. So instead of the power going straight to the light, power is going to the switch and then the light. So we're wiring that switch as an interrupt on that circuit. Also, fucking cool ass rocker switches.
Those are so nice.
And then you have the whole thing turns off when you flip the cover down. Boom.